Local emergency teams have undergone months of intense training in the aftermath of November's deadly shooting at LAX. Today, the LA Board of Fire Commissioners received a report on their progress. As CBS 2's Dave Lopez tells us, one major change is quicker response time.
Well, there's a number of things we've learned.
And today, Joe Castro, Deputy Chief, LA City Fire Department, told the Board of Fire Commissioners the biggest change is response time when going into a danger zone. For example, a shooting incident like the one that happened at LAX last November 1st.
And this is where we will utilize groups of firefighters in conjunction with law enforcement officers to actually enter what we call the warm zones of an active shooting incident to provide life-saving measures to the victims and extricate them quickly and transport them much more quickly than we would have in the old days.
In the shooting incident of November 1st, there was a delay of anywhere from 8 to 10 minutes before any paramedics from the LA City Fire Department entered Terminal 3.
A lot of that is due to the complexity of Los Angeles International Airports. Now, what we've done in the wake of that was we have conducted scores of training sessions with law enforcement, LAFD, LAPD, LAWA Police Department.
That training is being dubbed TEMS, stands for Tactical Emergency Medical Support. Units going into what they call a hot zone. Shots fired, anything dangerous, immediately, and not wait around. Yet, in their report, the fire department says an 8 to 10 minute delay should never happen again.
What if there had been more than one shooter, and what if there had been victims in there bleeding to death, and how could we get them to them quicker, and how can we design a program that offers maximum protection to the fire and EMS people going into that warm zone?
And that's what this training is all about. In essence, the fire department is saying, you give us the training, the proper equipment, and we're going in, no matter how dangerous the situation is, to save lives. From downtown Los Angeles, Dave Lopez, CBS 2 News.